but there's a lot of low-hanging fruit in terms of the technology, and it's gradual innovation and what's already there that could be well worth taking a closer look at and keeping very close to, Donny, I think.
Yeah, that I think is really key. It's really again, that incremental approach to innovation. And a lot of what you just said also made me think. We even talked. I know you said it's more of a U.S. thing, but I think the whole the busy season more of a U.S. thing, and this whole, like, I have this point that I'm trying to reach. And if we look towards the future of audit and the move towards continuous audit, and how do I continuously engage over the course of the year with that client so that I don't have this hump of not just busy season, but all of a sudden I need to do everything to form the opinion. And looking into the future and saying, how can I work with this client over the course of the year, whether it's quarterly, whether it's yearly, whether it's every half a year, or whether it's even monthly in some way. To me, that when I start to look at it, I want the tools that are going to enable me to have continuous data ingestion into a platform. And perhaps I'm performing procedures or fieldwork testing over the course of the year, so that by the time I'm getting to the forming of the audit opinion, all I'm doing is kind of wrapping things up, doing all of my checklists, doing my final kind of look at, like, did I do everything that I'm supposed to do, and can I now form this opinion over the period that we've been working with. And by the way, as I'm doing that, I'm still moving forward into the future periods. It's almost like a rolling continuous audit as we go through things. That probably is also going to help to identify those advisory opportunities. Because once you see a control breakdown, let's assume a calendar year, if you see a controls breakdown happening in March, that's a perfect opportunity to approach a client and go, hey, we're seeing an issue here. Can you address this? And if they can't, let us do some advisory around helping you understand the control and what it's supposed to be doing, and fix that before you get to the end. And it's like, well, you've gone this whole year with this thing, and now it's a material issue, and both you and the client are not going to be happy, having to issue a qualified opinion. So I think the move towards continuous and the smooth improvement and the continuous audit is going to be huge as we look at, okay, which vendors are going to enable me to do that.